Hey there guys, so in this quick video I'm going to share with you if you got the R50 and you want to disable or turn on the noise reduction, what you need to do, you need to go to camera settings, then you're going to have to go to the menu of 5 and there you're going to have long exposure noise reduction. You can have it off or on and you can disable it, you can turn it auto or you can enable it. Now how it works is that for auto, for images exposed for 1 second or longer, noise reduction is performed automatically if noise is typically of long exposure detected. This setting is effective enough in most cases. You can also enable it. Then another thing that you can do is that you can set the level of high ICO speed, so you can have a low, standard, high. I just wanted to make this like a really quick video. I hope it helped you. If it didn't help you and if it was like bad, like I'm sorry. I'm just looking forward to make like quick guides for you so you don't have to research the menu or like other whatever articles for 2 hours. You just watch one video and you're gonna get it. So have a great day and goodbye.